Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the dishwasher, and it does work, which is super fabulous. Although I'm having an issue, I don't know that the soap is coming through, but we can use it from time to time. This is the 3-compartment sink. Good job. These are dishwasher racks, and what we have done is labeled them with the colors that correspond to your kitchen groups. So when you wash your dishes, there'll be a big silver rack right there with the dishwasher racks on them, and you just put your dishes in your rack. That way, the next time someone comes in and they need to put dishes away, they just take the rack to their station. So it actually works out. Let's see. This one fell off, but yes, this one was correct. That is the ice machine. And as Culinary 1 students, I will allow y'all to get ice. I'm not going to offer that to my intro kids this semester. Don't tell them. Just because we'll try and reduce the number of hands. Let's see. Range, yes, very good. And we have bunches now. So all of these are ranges. So this is not a convection oven, but they are conventional ovens. So all of these are conventional. Our convection ovens are these right here. So these two, and then those two right behind. So now we have 4 where we used to just have 2, which is nice. So can you remember what's the difference between convection and conventional?
Convection has air in it.
Yes, so a convection has a fan and it continually blows air, which is what makes it cook faster. And if you remember, these cook hotter too. So when we do our temperature, what do we have to remember?
Drop temperature 20 degrees.
25, very good. Yeah, so if the recipe says 350, we're gonna put these on 325, okay? These will be just like normal ovens. Yes, this is the demo table, and typically what I'll do, there won't be all of this on here once we get the floors finished clean. This will be where your ingredients are based on whatever recipe you're making that day. And then this is our cooler, and is it a reach-in or a walk-in? Reach-in, right, because we can't physically walk into this one. And then this is a freezer. We actually have 2 now, so both of these are freezers. Blender, yep, we have 2. This one looks nice, this is right there. This is our food processor. And the neat thing about this is we have different attachments that come with it, so we can actually do different types of things with our food processor, so that's nice. All of these are different blades that go in, so we can do actually some of the cuts like we learned about. So apparently you can do a julienne cut with this. Meat slicer, yes, we want to make sure we're very, very careful when we use the meat slicer. It's very sharp, and I think technically OSHA says you have to be 16 or older to use it. So, toaster oven, microwave, great job. Can opener. So this was the industrial can opener that we were talking about last week. So what you do essentially is you lift this up, okay, and then you put your big old can here, and the blade tip is here. So you just take it and kind of slam it down on the top of the can, and then push that down and spin it, and it spins the can and opens it for us. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. Yes, this is the pantry where all of our food items are. Most of our baking pans, catering pans, and things are in here. The scales typically stay in here. Things that aren't going to be at your individual station, utensil-wise, you'll find in here. And then yes, this is the laundry room, and we'll have the bucket out here for you to put hats and coats and rags in. What I'm going to try and do is separate the coats and the jackets from the rags, just so that I can put bleach on the rags, and I don't necessarily want to bleach your coats. I'm afraid it would bleach out your embroidery, and we don't want to do that. But so stay tuned for that. All right, let's go back this way. 20-quart mixer, awesome job. 60-quart mixer, lots of cookies there. Hand, hand washing sink. We have 3 of them, so this one, that one over there, and one over there. So that's nice. It allows us to not have to wait so long to be able to wash our hands. They all should have soap and paper towels, and eventually we'll have a trash can. Vegetable sink, yes, very good. So that means that that new sink is our meat sink. And so for washing, if you need to wash off your chicken or something before you cook it, it goes in there. So vegetables here. This is a proofer, absolutely. Steamer, jacketed steam kettle. This one's new, which is awesome. It has a faucet attached to it. So when you go to cook your noodles, you don't have to worry about dumping water. You can just fill it here and cook your noodles, and it's fantastic. Flat top griddle, charbroiler, deep fryer. Y'all are awesome. Great job. I think that